If your Xfinity modem's USDS light is blinking, it means your internet connection is struggling. Don't worry, this is the most common modem issue. I'll show you how to fix this in minutes from the simple to the more advanced. Let's get started. If your Xfinity modem USDS light is blinking, it can be frustrating. First, let's understand why USDS light blinking. A blinking US uplink and DS downlink light on an Xfinity modem or gateway generally indicates a problem with the modem's ability to establish or maintain a stable connection with the internet service provider. Let's fix it. Step 1. Power cycle your Optimum modem. Unplug your modem from the power outlet and wait for at least 30 seconds. This gives it a chance to reset and clear any temporary issues. After waiting, plug your modem back in and wait for the lights to stabilize. If the USDS light turns solid green, you're back online. If it's still blinking, keep watching for more steps. Step 2. Check for service outages. Check for service outages in your area. Sometimes, a blinking USDS light is caused by a problem with your internet service provider. To check, visit the Xfinity website or use the Xfinity app to see if there are any ongoing outages. If there's an outage, you'll just need to wait for it to be resolved. Once the service is restored, your modem USDS light should turn solid green. Step 3. Check cable connections. Inspect your cable connections. Make sure all cables, including the power cord, Ethernet, and coaxial cables, are securely plugged in. Loose or damaged cables can cause connectivity issues. Check the coaxial cable connecting your router to the wall outlet. Also, if Xfinity fiber modem, check fiber cable properly connected both end. A loose or improperly connected cable can prevent the router from syncing with the internet properly. Step 4. Check for firmware updates. Connect to modem via Ethernet. Go to 10.0.0.1 Xfinity modem admin page. Use login username and password. Go to software option under gateway and check for firmware version and updates to current version. Step 5. Reset the modem to factory settings. Reset your modem to factory settings. If the above steps haven't worked, try resetting your router. To do this, locate the reset button on the back of your modem. Press and hold the reset button for about 10 seconds using a paperclip or pin. This will restore the router to its default settings, which may resolve any persistent issues. Once reset, you'll need to reconfigure your router settings, such as internet settings, your Wi-Fi network name and password. Step 6. Contact Xfinity support. Contact Xfinity support. If none of the previous steps worked, there might be a more serious issue with your router or internet connection. Reach out to Xfinity customer support team for further assistance. You can call their support line or chat with a representative on their website. They can walk you through additional troubleshooting steps or help you arrange a technician visit if necessary. We hope this guide helped you fix the blinking USDS light on your Xfinity router. Remember, if in doubt, Xfinity support team is always ready to assist. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching.